Well, when I was speaking in the meeting, when I was joining and I was welcomed by the Congress leadership, I spoke quite a number of points, so I think you have already captured. But however, I once again want to share with you that as I have said, with sound mind and soul, I have consciously decided to rejoin in this all family, that is the Grand Old Party, which is the Indian National Congress. The rejoining of me into this Grand Old Party is that the prevailing situation across the state of Meghalaya and the country as well, the ruling dispensation, be it in the state of Meghalaya or at the center, they have been destroying the country. In the state of Meghalaya, we can see the jungle raj, rampant corruption from all fronts, not only in one department, in all social sectors, be it in MSCL, the electricity board, education, health sector, in every departments, because of the corruption. This present government is destroying the state. So, therefore, I have decided that as I have been working closely with the Congress Party for more than 20 years, 2 decades, it's a long period of time, I once again felt that this is my own family. And by being in this platform, it will be more appropriate and conducive for me to fight against this corrupt government and rescue the people. Therefore, I have consciously decided to rejoin in the Indian National Congress Party. And as I always maintain that whichever party I was associated with, whichever party means only once I was away from Congress, I always maintain that I am a true soldier of the party. I am against the corruption always. In my tenure as minister, if anybody can find out where I was involved, whether I was involved in any corrupt practice, that I can challenge. If the present government do some inquiry or investigation to the department I was looking after during my tenure also, I will not have any stress, because I am pretty sure that even a single dot was not misused in the file. So, with full commitment, I voluntarily now rejoining the Congress Party to serve the people of our beautiful state in the days to come. In politics, as far as serving the people of the state and the country is concerned, there is no family. This is precisely I was fighting when I was first inducted in 2006 by then Chief Minister led Dr. D.D. Lapang. The same questions was put forward So I said, sir, if that is the case, then am I representing the family? I'm not representing the family. I'm also representing thousands of people, which is in my constituency. So that mentality, that mindset should be eradicated. My brother means you are mentioning about Dr. Mukul Sangma, right? He is a very tall leader, having long innings in politics, having lots of knowledge, wisdom, wealth of experience, as all of us know. So what he is thinking, what kind of thinking process is taking place in his mind, so these are best known to him only. So I request you to better ask him, and I'm not the authorized person to tell about him. So when the time comes, he may take any decision, that is up to him. So I don't want to dwell on this, and I request you better ask the same question to him. Since I was very young child, 12, 13 years, I was very active activist in politics. I was following my senior leaders. So since then, I had been part and parcel of the Congress party, internally and externally. So I was very passionate with the Congress party, and I personally like Congress party. But having said this, for certain obvious reason, I had to be away from Congress party for some time. In those periods, I was of course regretting, thinking that whether I have been doing some injustice. So now I have decided that, as I have said already, Congress would be the better platform, as I was doing the same previously also, to serve the people of the state. The political parties are lifeless. There is no life in it. It is the leader who can carry all the people in that party along to make the party strong. So as far as this All India Trinamool Congress is concerned, the leadership is not connected with the grassroots. So slowly and gradually, the party has not been able to be in public memory in certain region of the state. So it is going to be confined in just certain region of the state, not in every nook and corner of the state. So, like Congress, the National Party, Grand Old Party, it is saturated in every nook and corner of the state. So, I prefer to be in such a party which is pan Meghalaya, pan India.